you're a working mom, you know the struggle can be real. And Wallethub decided to research that struggle and conducted a study of the best states for working moms. They used 13 metrics, some of which included childcare, work-life balance, opportunity, and the gender pay gap. The states were then given a score in each category to determine which states are the most friendly to working moms, and here's what they found. The best overall state for working moms is Vermont. They have great childcare options, work-life balance, and when they're having a really bad day, they have access to the best ice cream. The worst overall state for working moms is Alabama, with low scores in childcare and work-life balance, but the worst total score for professional opportunities. While New York ranked highest when it came to best available daycare systems, these amazing systems come at a price, and they are some of the most expensive, while Mississippi has the lowest childcare costs. This study further confirms that moms deserve more than just breakfast in bed on Mother's Day.